So in this video, I'll show you how you can create your very first bot and start monetizing it. So the first thing that I'll do is I will create my account. If you already have an account, you can log in. And I'll submit my information, set up a password, and I will then verify my email. The next thing that I need to do is that I'll have to connect my Stripe. And the reason this is required is basically because Stripe connects with your bank account and directly transfers any income that you earn from any of your bots. So I'll now choose a country. You need to select the country of where your bank account is, and then just hit connect. And then you will be redirected to the Stripe onboarding information. So I'll first submit my number and then hit continue. Once I've done that, I can then select type of business, and this workflow will be different depending on which country you're in. In some countries you may not be eligible to do this as an individual, and you'll have to create a company and submit your tax, submit basically the legal information of that company. So since I'm in the US, I can do this as an individual. If you have your own website, you can submit your own website. If you don't have your website, you can submit basically anything that has some information about you, your LinkedIn profile, your Twitter profile, or anything. Over here, I'm just gonna submit my own website for now. Finally, I'll be asked to submit my bank account information. If you're in the US, you can also submit your debit card info and directly get payouts sent to that debit card. But in most countries, I think you'll have to submit your bank account information to get the payouts. So over here, I'm just going to use the test institution, since this is a test account. And so once you connect your bank account, you would be able to see your bank account info over here. So once you've connected your bank account, you will be able to basically select the bank account you want to use to get the payouts from your bots. And then there'll be like a final review page where you can just hit agree and submit. And that's it. We have connected our Stripe account. Now we can go about monetizing our GPT bots. So to monetize a GPT bot, we'll first have to create a GPT bot. So let's do that. So for the sake of this demo, let's create a bot called Emojify. And so I'm gonna say something like submit some random text and let Emojify add emojis to it in my bot description. And let me add a quick logo to it as well. It's gonna look like this. And now I will create a prompt for my bot. Let me think about something. Let me do something like, you are now a bot called Emojify, which will take text and add emojis to it. So basically, emojify it. And I can also say something like, don't return anything else but the text with the emojis added to it. So once we get the user input, we can pass it along with this prompt, and then just basically wait for the output. And knowledge base, since this bot does not require any sort of additional domain knowledge, I'm not going to upload anything for now. Now, the pricing, let me clarify what this means. So the price here is basically the price that anyone will pay at the least. So if I put something like $10, then this is the minimum that anyone will pay me for usage of this bot. Now, for $10, how many chats do I want to give to someone? So for $10, let me say that if you pay me $10, then you can use my Emojify bot for 50 times, which basically means buying 50 chat credits for $10. And we have something called free chats. The minimum right now that we have for this is 5, but I'm going to go ahead and put something like 25. All fees are going to be paid by the users of your bot. So it's something that I would recommend. Be a bit liberal as to the number of free chats you're giving in your bot. If users find enough value, they will pay for it. So finally, once I'm done filling out the form, I can hit on create GPT bot, and this will create the GPT bot for me. And that's it. We have successfully created our very first GPT bot, but it's not public yet. And this is almost the last step for creating your own bot. And once you're ready to launch, just hit on launch. And this will also take like a quick second. And that's it. Successfully launched GPT bot. Now you can share the link with anyone. It will basically be at paymeformyai.com/emojify. But since I'm testing it right now, this is on my local server, but it will basically be the same. So now I can I have basically as you can see, it says pricing free for 25 chats, then $10 per 50 messages, which is what I wanted. So let's put it to test. Let's test something. So I'm gonna write something like I went to the movies and saw something related to Christmas. Let's do it. Hit enter. And let's see what the response is. I went to the movies and saw something related to Christmas, which is not bad and works according to the prompt that we gave to the GPT bot. And let's do something else. Let's do something like let's say eat some pasta today. Couldn't eat it because work. Okay. Let's see what it does. Yeah, so it's working as basically as we wanted it to work. If there's something else that we wanted in this, then we should have added it to the prompt. But I'm not going to show you how you can actually buy credits. So you can click on buy credits over here, or you can delete your chats and you can hit on pay with card. So either way, either of these options work. So now I can, as a user, you will be able to enter your credit card information, and this money you will see that once I open this pop-up, it'll say you will receive 50 credits. So for $10 as a user, I'll get 50 credits. So let me quickly fill this up. And then let's make the payment. And credits purchase successful. So as a user now I have 73 credits, which basically added 50 messages to my existing number of messages, which was 23. And this money goes to your Stripe account that you connected when you created when you basically created an account with us. And Stripe takes like a 3% fee, but the rest of it goes to you. So that's it. And I'm super excited to see what you can create with this.